My mother is very kind. She loves everybody. She looks like her sister. They've both got curly hair. My mom is a creative person. She makes things all the time.
I don't have any brothers or sisters. I'm an only child, but I've got 7 aunts. My favorite aunt is called Betty. She's very clever. She's a teacher, and she helps me with my studies.
My uncle is so bossy. He tells me what to do all the time. He is married and his wife is bossy too. But their son is really funny. He's my favorite cousin. We go to the same college.
My family? Well, we're a big family, actually. Our house is large. I've got 5 brothers. Their names are Carlos, Gino, Luca, Alex, and Marco. Carlos is 14, and he's the youngest. He's good-looking and very funny. Marco is 27, and he's the oldest. His wife teaches at my college. Her name is Maria. My mother is an only child, so her family is very small. But my father is from a big family. He has 3 brothers. He looks like his brother, my Uncle Giorgio. They are both bossy but kind. My uncle has 4 children and 1 cat. Its name is Lola.